a little bit sharp, so I'd still need to adjust that a little bit further. Now the last thing I would check is pickup height. And again, this is fairly subjective. It depends on what you're hearing really, but a good starting point is about 2.4 mil on the bass side and about 2 mil on the treble side. Now the way you check this, you actually fret the last fret on the neck, and you're measuring from the actual individual pole pieces to the underside of the string this time. So you can see that's a way too high, so I'm going to bring that down. You just adjust at the mounting screws. You've got to get the balance right between those two screws just to make sure that the pickup will sit flat also. So if one's a little bit loose and one's not, you're going to find that won't sit flat. And again, just get down to eye level, fret at the last fret. And you're looking for 2.4 from the magnet to the underside of the string. That's pretty much how you would go about doing a basic setup. As I said, you'll probably want to come back and make more adjustments after you become more accustomed to the guitar and the neck after playing it for a while.